Zakat is not really a charity, it's a responsibility. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is Ahmed Atifur Rahman. Today's talk about Zakat. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about it and the importance of it and how it makes a difference for the marginalized communities that we assist. As I look at it, and it's my opinion, and I'm sure you would also might agree to it, that Zakat is not really a charity, it's a responsibility. Many people would think, my amount is too small, what difference will it make? But here's the truth, for someone else, that small amount can make a full meal. You know, I have met countless donors, whatever small amount they contributed, and also it adds up, so it does make a difference. At IHF, we see this every day. One contribution takes a child back in school, another brings food on the table, another becomes relief for a family that had nowhere left to turn. Be a part of the journey with IHF and actually let your Zakat become someone's new beginning, and let's make a huge difference from today onwards till the very end. Thank you so much.